Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten, and today we continue our business plan series with a look at the business profile section. The purpose of the business profile is to give some high-level information about the business. We're not getting into the nitty-gritty details yet, we're just describing what the business is and what its journey has been like so far. The headings within this section may vary for some kinds of businesses, but you'll always have a heading that says something like this. Here you would have a 1 or 2 sentence description of what your business does. This example is taken from my own business plan, which was written when I was starting out as a full-time freelancer. Below this, I have a bulleted list of all of the services that I offer. No details, just a 1-sentence description of each. Next, you describe the legal structure of your business. In other words, how is your business registered with the tax authorities? Is it a sole proprietorship, a registered corporation, a not-for-profit corporation? Then you have the business location. Now, if you are operating from home, you do not have to include your home address. It is enough for you to say that your business is home-based. You'll have to put in a sentence explaining how you will interact with customers, whether it's at the customer's location, some other agreed location, or via video conferencing. If you have to provide an address for correspondence and you don't want to give out your home address, you can just rent a box at the post office. Finally, you list key dates and events for your businesses. It's kind of like a story so far section. For existing businesses, you can list the year your business started, the year you started breaking even or making a profit, any times you landed a major project. For new businesses, just list the sequence of events leading up to the business starting. So this could include qualifications you received, relevant work experience, how and when you had the idea of starting the business. And you want to end this section with your immediate next steps, again at a high level. Next week, we'll look at the sections for management, product or service description, and long-term objectives. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.